Hi guys, welcome to the Cooking Center. Today we're going to be making lemon pound cake. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first let's mix the wet ingredients. So 1 cup of unsalted butter. Let's mix it up. Let me soften. Alrighty guys, let's mix up some butter for the wet ingredients for our lemon pound cake. Up. Okay, there we go. Our butter is now mixed. Now let's put in our sugar, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. So let's pour it in. Let's mix it in. And then let's add in 4 eggs. Okay. Now the wet ingredients are mixed. Let's add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Some vanilla extract. Add some in. Okay. Let's get some lemon zest from 2 lemons. Okay, and now we'll do the dry ingredients. See you then. Alright guys, I forgot 1/4 cup of milk. add a 1/4 cup lemon juice. Now we'll do the dry ingredients. Okay guys, let's add in the dry ingredients. 2 cups flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then let's whisk it up. Okay, then we got the dry ingredients. Ready, guys? Now let's mix the wet and dry ingredients. So let's pour in a little at a time. Okay, and then let's add in the last bit of the dry ingredients. There we go, guys. That's how how it's done. Alrighty guys, now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cake for 50 minutes. I'll be right back. Guys, now I'm going to pour the cake batter into a cake pan. So let's put some ham on the cake pan to make sure it doesn't stick. Pour it in. Okay guys, so as we'll put this in the oven, and then I'll be back with you guys. Alrighty guys, now the lemon pound cake is done. I will show you. Alrighty guys, now I will try a bite. Good. If you like the video, subscribe. Bye guys.